This tea rebuilds damaged veins and ends leg pain. Just last month, a worried grandmother stumbled onto an ancient tea recipe that calmed her aching legs fast, and she noticed her veins literally started healing overnight. But here's the shocking part. Did you know nearly 30% of people over 60 battle bad leg circulation? So how in the world did one simple brew cut her vein strain by up to 65%? And why don't more doctors share it? Stick around, because we're diving into these drinks, and you'll see exactly how this everyday leaf could be your biggest leg pain game changer. I spent long hours reading old medical journals and asked a trusted friend with herbal research experience to confirm how a single leaf might reinforce vein health. They've observed similar outcomes in clinical case notes. This video provides general information only and does not serve as a substitute for professional medical advice. Always seek a certified healthcare provider if you have any health concerns. If you like this voiceover, please comment 1. If you are not fully comfortable with it, please comment 2. Your feedback helps us refine our content and deliver a better experience. Understanding circulation problems. As we age, our circulatory system faces new challenges. Blood vessels may become less elastic and blood flow to extremities, especially legs and feet, can decrease. You might notice symptoms like numbness or tingling sensations. Many of you have written to me describing how your feet feel like blocks of ice, even during summer months. Cold feet or legs, even in warm temperatures, is a telltale sign of circulation issues. Swelling, especially at the end of the day, is another common symptom. If you find your shoes feeling tight by evening or notice impression marks from your socks, circulation might be the culprit. I remember my aunt used to say her ankles felt like water balloons by dinner time, a vivid description of what poor circulation feels like. Discolored skin or slow-healing wounds may also appear. And that cramping after walking short distances, what doctors call claudication, can seriously limit your independence and enjoyment of life. One of our viewers, Martha from Ohio, couldn't even walk to her mailbox without stopping to rest until she improved her circulation. These symptoms should never be ignored. Always consult your doctor about circulation problems, as they can indicate serious conditions requiring medical attention. This tea is meant to complement, never replace, proper medical care. Beneficial ingredients for circulation. Let's talk about the powerful ingredients in our circulation-supporting tea. Each one plays a special role in this healing blend. First up is ginger root. This remarkable rhizome contains compounds called gingerols that help improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels and reducing inflammation. Ginger also provides a pleasant warmth that many find soothing. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginger has been used for over 5,000 years to warm the channels and improve energy flow throughout the body. I grow ginger on my windowsill. It's surprisingly easy to cultivate at home. Next, we have cinnamon sticks. This common spice contains coumarin, which may help improve blood circulation. It also adds wonderful flavor and aroma to our tea. Cinnamon has been treasured since ancient Egyptian times, not just for its delicious taste, but for its medicinal properties. In medieval Europe, cinnamon was so valuable it was considered a status symbol and sometimes used as currency. Hibiscus flowers bring gorgeous color and important benefits. These vibrant blooms produce a tart, cranberry-like flavor and may help maintain healthy blood pressure levels, which is important for circulation. Native to tropical regions, hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, the same compounds that give berries their health benefits and vibrant color. When I'm making this tea for friends, they always comment on the beautiful ruby red color the hibiscus creates. Green tea leaves contribute powerful protection. Rich in antioxidants called catechins, green tea supports vascular health and helps protect blood vessel walls. Japanese centenarians, who often enjoy remarkable health well into their 90s and beyond, regularly consume green tea. Some studies suggest that the catechins in green tea may help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which contributes to plaque buildup in arteries. Turmeric brings golden color and healing potential. It contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that may improve endothelial function, how well the lining of your blood vessels works. In India, turmeric has been used for thousands of years both as a spice and medicinal herb. My grandmother used to call it nature's golden healer, and science is confirming what traditional healers have known for centuries. Just a pinch of black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric's beneficial compounds by up to 2,000%. This synergy between turmeric and black pepper is a perfect example of how combining certain foods can multiply their benefits. Nature's wisdom is truly remarkable. Recipe for circulation-supporting tea. Here's how to prepare this beneficial tea. For ingredients, you'll need a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, sliced. Fresh works better than powdered because it contains more of the active compounds. I keep ginger root in my freezer, which makes it easy to grate when needed. You'll also need 1 cinnamon stick. Choose Ceylon cinnamon if possible, as it contains less coumarin than cassia cinnamon, making it safer for regular consumption. The cinnamon sticks should have a sweet aroma and roll up tightly like a scroll, not in a double-sided curl. Add 1 tablespoon dried hibiscus flowers. I find the whole flowers preferable to crushed ones, as they release their beneficial compounds more gradually and create a smoother flavor. If you grow roses without pesticides, you can actually substitute a few organic rose petals, which offer similar benefits. Include 1 teaspoon green tea leaves. Choose a high-quality loose-leaf tea rather than tea bags if possible. The loose leaves have more surface area and typically contain higher levels of beneficial compounds. I recommend a Japanese sencha or Chinese dragon well variety for their balanced flavor. Add 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric. Look for turmeric with a bright orange color, which indicates higher curcumin content. I store mine in a dark cabinet since light can degrade its active compounds over time. Don't forget a small pinch of black pepper. Freshly ground is best, as pre-ground pepper loses its potency quickly. The active compound in black pepper, called piperine, is what helps your body absorb the curcumin from turmeric. You'll need 4 cups of water. I recommend filtered water if possible, as chlorine can interfere with the delicate flavors and potentially some of the beneficial compounds. Optionally, add 1 teaspoon honey or lemon to taste. Raw, unfiltered honey offers additional enzymes and beneficial compounds, while lemon adds vitamin C, which supports blood vessel health. For instructions, first bring the water to a gentle boil in a medium pot. A rolling boil can damage some of the more delicate compounds, so aim for small bubbles rather than a vigorous boil. Add ginger, cinnamon, and hibiscus flowers. These hardier ingredients benefit from a longer cooking time to release their beneficial compounds. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes, allowing your kitchen to fill with the wonderful aroma, an aromatherapy bonus. Turn off heat and add green tea leaves, turmeric, and black pepper. The green tea is more delicate, so we add it after removing from direct heat to preserve its catechins. Cover and steep for an additional 5 minutes. Covering the pot prevents the volatile aromatic compounds from escaping with the steam. Strain the tea into cups or a teapot. I use a fine mesh strainer lined with cheesecloth for the clearest tea. Add honey or lemon if desired, but try it plain first. Many people find the natural flavors perfectly balanced without additions. Drink 1 cup in the morning and another in the evening. The morning cup helps get your circulation going for the day, while the evening cup supports nighttime repair processes. Remember, consistency is key. For best results, enjoy this tea daily for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Some of my viewers report feeling a difference in just a few days, but give your body time to respond fully. More about therapeutic teas. let me share some additional wisdom about healing teas that I've learned over decades of study. Tea has been used medicinally for thousands of years, long before modern medicine. The Chinese Emperor Shennong reportedly discovered tea around 2737 BCE, when tea leaves accidentally blew into his pot of boiling water. He noticed its restorative properties and began researching hundreds of herbs for medicinal purposes. You can find most of the ingredients we discussed in this video through the Amazon links provided in the description below for your convenience.